Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discuss about the insurance company is that BMO Life Insurance, which is located on Canada. So let's start our today's video. See below for rating, quotes and an in-depth review of BMO's life insurance products. Our rating is 4 point. The bottom lines BMO prices are 2% lower than prices of competitors, which make them a great option for Canadians looking to buy term life insurance. However, BMO requires enhanced medical requirements for customers looking to buy non face to face. Looking to compare life insurance providers, read more reviews the best life insurance companies in Canada. Companies fact. Customers complaint is 3.4 by 5 based on Insure I reviews. BBB rating is not rated more than Better Business Bureau ratings. Pricing comparisons. BMO Terms Life Insurance pricing was competitors' term life insurance products. Looking for the best value, see how the price of BMO's term life insurance stack up against the prices of products offered by other Canadian term life insurance providers. Scores are based on the policy-based term insurance price index. An in-depth analysis of price for 108 combinations of gender, age, term length, coverage amount, health status, and smoking status. Company is the mentions about the table on that website, which is the components are company rate ranking and average prices relative to market, which is RBC Insurance is ranked number 1, 6% lower. Canada Life number 2 and the 5% lower. Canada Life ranking on number 2 is the 5% lower. Canada Life number 2 and the 5% lower. BMO insurance pricing by customers traits. Even if you and your next door neighbors buy life insurance from the same insurance company, you may not pay the same prices. That's because life insurance companies base your price largely on your age, policy coverage amount, policy durations, smoking status, and current health status. Some companies are more lenient about specific customers' characteristics and provide better pricing than other companies for people with these characteristics. Here's a breakdown of how BMO's life insurance prices compares to prices offered by other companies for various customers' characteristics. Number 1, excellent. The company's prices are more affordable than the rest of the market for customers with these characteristics. Good. The company's prices are in the best with the rest of the market for customers with these characteristics. Poor. The company's prices are more expensive than the rest of market for customers with these characteristics. Products, options and features. Term length of 10, 15, 20, 25 and the 30 years. Coverage from the $100,000 to $10 million. And the common features are level premium. Premiums remain the same for the entire length of your term. Guaranteed renewability. When your term insurance policy expires, you can renew it without undergoing a medical review. Convertible. You can convert your term insurance policy into a permanent policy without undergoing a medical review. No obligations review period. Once you receive confirmations that policy has been issued, you have 30 days to sign a delivery receipts and authorize your payment method. So guys, this is all about the policy insurance informations which is held in the Canada, and the name insurance life is the BMO. So more information, please visit the website of that policy insurance BMOs. I hope you like that video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative life insurance companies. Have a nice day. Take care.